Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G200 and let me share with you how to enable the demo mode on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Now let's enter Advanced and tap on Developer Options. If you cannot find the developer options in your device, no worries, we've got the tutorial of how to enable them, so simply find it and check it, activate them and come back to this video. So since we are on the developer options, we have to scroll down to find System UI Demo Mode. Let's tap on it, and first of all, to turn on the demo mode without showing it, actually just tap on the switcher at the very top. Nothing happened obviously, so let's show the demo mode just by tapping on the second switcher. And as you can see right now, we've got some changes on the status bar. So for example, the hour has been halted in on the 11 o'clock. What's more, all the icons are in their full state. So this is how the demo mode shows. Of course, you can keep it turned on without showing. Just tap on the switcher and turn it off completely just by tapping on this one. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the demo mode in your Motorola Moto G200. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.